Okay, this is Wynn Palace Casino. It's copyrighted music, so I have to be careful. I'm going to try to film as much as I can. We're just going to see how many people we can see. We see one person right there, but these little ones go all the way around. I'll tell you more about it in a minute. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna be careful with this copyrighted music, and yeah, it's beautiful music. They always have loud music in Wynn Palace, and which is not good for people with YouTube channels. And we're just gonna see how many people are here to. Let me cut this off before the filming. Okay, so we're gonna try to stop every 15 seconds and just try to make sure we don't get it copyrighted. And we'll just kind of see how many people are going up into the casino for one. You can see some people over here that are just got out of a taxi. So I think there's definitely people around. This is a station, so this is the Cotai L'Oeste. There's another person in this one too. So there's definitely people coming in and out of the trains. Not the trains, but I mean these little boxcar things. So there's somebody else in that one. So it looks like maybe almost everyone is filled. And with COVID, that wasn't so possible. So let's just kind of take a look at these. Oh, beautiful music. So looks like there's people in like almost every single one of them. And I would go in, but I have filmed inside. But sometimes you can kind of just take a guess just by this right here by itself. So this is no exception here. Let's just kind of see. So we're just kind of stroll through a little bit. So yeah, complimentary ride into Wynn Palace. So you can actually go in for free, but if you try to come out with this one, I think they'll charge you. Keep on going around a little bit. So yeah, at least you get a little bit of a taste of the Wynn Palace as well. And you got a station right here. There's MGM, some other stuff nearby. Beautiful, amazing music. I hope it doesn't have any copyright issues with this. We'll find out about that later. And then yeah, this is the Cotai Strip, so you've got MGM. That's the one problem with the Wynn Palace is, you know, copyright issues, because they play like beautiful music quite loudly, which is awful for YouTube channels, because you can't upload it. So hopefully I talk loud enough and I kind of cut this up a little bit so I don't have those issues. We'll see what happens. Anyways, this is Wynn Palace. Sometimes I go inside, but I thought today I'd just kind of take a guess by the tourists that are outside, and you can definitely see some around. There's an empty, there's somebody in this one too. So these ones coming in, it means that they either went all the way around, you know, or they pay. In the past you'd have to pay to come out of it because you're leaving the casino, right? So I don't know, it looks like there's people coming both ways now. I don't know how that goes with the music. I'll just have to deal with that as it comes, but I definitely think there's definitely some people more tourists that are around now. Basically just for an update on stuff, the tourists are mainland China. You can come in and out of Macau quite easily. It's basically an open border, almost. Not an open border, but it's very, very accessible to mainland Chinese, so you'll see a lot. It's still not accessible to non. So if you're from another country, it's closed to you, even if you have a work visa and apartments here and family here. You know, if you're not if you don't have a you know, if you're not a Macau resident, then and you're non-Chinese, then there's no way you can come in. So I have lots of coworkers that cannot come into the university, cannot come into the city of Macau, even though they have apartments here and they have families here, and their families in 2 different countries, and it's been that way for 15 months. And it looks like there's no end in sight. There's no movement whatsoever to try to reunite foreigners who have apartments and jobs and families here, to bring them back, to allow them in. Unless, of course, they're from mainland China, then those doors are open, so they can go back and forth, no problem. But yeah, I was talking to some of my coworkers recently who can't come back, so. So it's still an issue. But as you can see, the mainland Chinese tourists, it's open, so they can come and go, no problem. I mean, they have to do tests and things like that. So okay, let's end it right here. So hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, here's Wynn Palace from across the street. I just kind of, the lights came on and I'm on the other side now, so I thought I'd at least film it. So anyways, maybe a little bit of added thing to it, the lighting. It's really beautiful at night, especially when the water show starts coming up, but the music is so loud I can't really film it very easily. But anyways, hope you like that Wynn Palace one from the outside.